Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to create this kind of pie chart in Flutter, and when you will tap on this it will show the particular result. For now I'm using the text subscribers and the month January, February, in which particular month I have got how many number of subscribers. You can customize it according to your requirement. So for that, first of all, you will have to install a package. This is fl_chart, and after installing it, let's jump into the code. For this, this is my home page screen, and inside this it is stateful widget, and inside this there is scaffold and body, and inside body I will take stack. Why will I will take a stack? Because I want to show this kind of text here, so that is why I will use stack. Because first I will use this text inside column, first child will be text as subscriber and second child will be this data, and then this graph will come. So let's move forward. Stack, and then it contains children, so there is little bit of padding also. Vertically it is 10 and horizontally it is 80, and again I have taken here this child as a pie chart, and it is coming from the package that we have installed earlier. And it takes swap animation duration. I will show the effect of this duration and also the animation. You can also manage it from here. Let me write the code here, and inside this it will take pie chart data, and then pie touch data. Whenever I'm tapping on this, the value is changing. So this kind of thing is happening from this section. And on this touch callback, I'm calling this method. I will describe it later. For now I'll be describing you for the UI part. Let's move forward. These are the sections. For now I have already created a 1 2 3 4 5 sections, so I will have to copy paste this, like 4 5, that's it. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Yes, so as many as section you want, you will have to create another section here, then it will be visible here. So for now I will show you the animation. Suppose if I will do the value of this orange 45 to 20, then if I will save this animation and the duration is happening from this two line. You can also change this, like bounce out, then you will see the difference in the animation. So this kind of animation is happening with the help of these two. So now let's move towards this tap on pie chart. So this is the method, and inside this it has two parameters, event and response. First of all, I'm checking response not equal to null, then I'm taking the index, on which particular index I'm tapping, and also taking the value, this value 20 40. So I'm checking if selection index equal to 0, then I'm showing the January part and also the value included here. And again, same as for February, March and rest data, like selection index is 1 2 3 4, you can manage it. And at the end of this, I'm handling it with the help of set state. It is refreshing our page, refreshing the widget, and the data is visible there like this. Let me run this once again. No, actually I will have to add text here also. So for this, alignment would be center, and there will be column and center, and inside children there will be text subscriber, and another one is month. And what I'm doing here, whenever I'm tapping any section, I'm providing month a new value like this. And initially it is provided value of January. You can do one thing, you can provide empty string at the beginning. Let me run this. So initially it is not any value. When I will tap on this, there is the value. So I will put this code on GitHub and will share the link with you all. And yes, that's it for in this video. Hope to see you next time in our next video. Bye for now.